Hello everyone. So today we are going to continue the topic which we have already started, that is business plan. So in the previous video I have explained what is the meaning of business plan and what are the different formats in which business plan is made. And today we are going to discuss the components of business plan. Now there are basically 9 components of business plan, starting from the introductory profile. This is the general introduction of the business plan, where introduction about the entrepreneur and the venture is given. Then business venture. Then third is organizational plan. Then production plan, operational plan, human resource plan, marketing plan, financial plan, and miscellaneous and apprentice. In between here, you will have assessment of risk also. Okay, so these are the components of a business plan. So the first component is the introductory profile or the general introduction. So in this general introduction, we have to write 4 points. First is entrepreneur's biodata, then we have industry profile, constitution and organization, and then product details. Okay, so in introductory profile, the first part is entrepreneur's biodata. Here we have to mention the name and address of the promoter and his or her qualification, then experience, and in case there are partners, the name, address of the partners. So that will come under entrepreneur's biodata. Okay, here actually in detail we have to give the name, experience and qualification of entrepreneur. Second comes the industry profile. In industry profile we have to give the name and address of the enterprise, the telephone number, if there are any branches the company is having, and the nature of business. So that we have to write here in industry profile. Then comes constitution and organization. Here which form of organization the company is going to have, that we have to write. So that comes under the constitution and organization of the upcoming venture. Then comes product details. Here the product range, the USP of the product, then the utility, the design of the product, all the details about the product will be mentioned here. So this is the general profile of the company, means about the entrepreneur, about the industry, about the enterprise, then what type of organization or constitution the organization will be having, which form of business organization, and then last one is the product detail, the utility, the design, the USP of the product which they are going to, or the company is going to have. So this is introductory profile. Second is the description of venture. Here basically 2 things is to be mentioned. First is the site and second is physical infrastructure. So site means whether the property or the land will be owned by the company or they are going to leasehold the land, the industrial area and other details related to the sites will be given. Second is the physical infrastructure. Here in detail in the business plan, all these points are to be mentioned, like raw material, from where we are going to procure the raw material, the labor, utilities, then pollution control, the sewage system and all, how it will be installed in the company, how we are going to, what arrangement the company is going to have for the wastage, where they are going to dump the wastage, and what are the methods of disposing of the wastage and all. Then after pollution control comes the machinery and equipment which will be used in the business, what size, what capacity, and then the cost and the source from where equipments and machinery will be procured. Then the production process. Here the process involved in production, the installation cost and all, then from where it will be licensed, the shift involved in production. So all these details will be written here. Transportation and communication means the requirement for transportation and communication facilities, modes and means opted for. See, everything related with transportation and communication is to be mentioned. So second point is description of venture, which consists of site, related to site, and physical infrastructure. The third component of business plan is the production plan. Here in production plan, 3 things are considered. Actually, production is of likely 3 types. But before this, we need to know what is production actually. As I have explained it many times, and many times we have discussed that production is conversion of raw material into finished goods by the help of capital, manpower, energy and machinery. So we convert raw materials into finished goods with the help of machinery, capital, and power and energy, etc. So that is production plan. So basically, for any venture, production can be of three types. First is no manufacturing. One type of production plan where no manufacturing is there. That means all the parts are procured from other companies. Here, nothing is to be mentioned. Okay, if new venture does not include any manufacturing function, so then this section will stand eliminated from the plan. That means if a company is not going to manufacture any of the parts, all are procured from outside, then this will be eliminated. Okay, no need to write anything in production plan. Second is partial manufacturing. Partial manufacturing is if some part of the machinery is manufactured in the business and some part is procured from outside. In that case, the name and location of the subcontractor from where you are going to procure the semi-finished product or the finished parts, then the reason for their selection, why you have selected these suppliers, then the cost and time involved, and any contract the company has entered into, that is to be mentioned in partial manufacturing. And if the company is in complete manufacturing, if all the parts are manufactured, the company is involved in complete manufacturing of the product, then the physical plant layout, that is to be mentioned, the machinery and equipment required for production, raw material, supplier's name, the cost of manufacturing, or any future capital equipment required. These are to be written in complete manufacturing. Means all the information related to the manufacturing of the product is to be mentioned here. Okay, so this will give an entrepreneur or anyone, we should not write entrepreneur, we should write anyone. Any stakeholder can have idea after going through the production plan. Anyone, the potential investors or the stakeholders, they will have idea about the production schedule, then machinery equipment requirement, manufacturing method or the process involved, then the plant layout, the time, motion and work study. Okay, what will be the manpower requirement for the new venture and what will be the inventory requirement for the new venture. So these are the points, or these are the factors. You will have idea about all these factors if a business plan is in the business plan, if production plan is written comprehensively, so it will give idea about all these points. So we have to we have to just mention that whether it is a manufacturing unit doing complete manufacturing or partial or no manufacturing. So this is the third component of business plan.